If you're looking into AI tools for content creation in 2026, chances are you've seen something called Animate AI, and the big question is Animate AI actually worth using? Or is it just another overhyped tool? Because let's be honest, there are a lot of AI apps right now, and not all of them deliver what they promise. So in this honest 2026 review, I'm going to break it down clearly so you know exactly what to expect. Let's get into it. First, what is Animate AI? Animate AI is an AI-powered video creation platform that lets you turn simple ideas or scripts into fully animated videos. Instead of filming, editing, designing characters, you can just type what you want, and the AI generates scenes, characters, voiceovers, full animations, all automatically. In simple terms, it's designed to make video creation fast, scalable, and beginner-friendly. In fact, one of its biggest strengths is that it removes the need for technical skills. Everything is guided step by step inside the platform. Now let's talk about how it actually works. The process is pretty simple. You start by writing a script or idea. Then you choose a character or avatar, a voice style, a visual theme. After that, the AI builds your video for you. This includes animation, timing, transitions, so instead of spending hours editing, you can generate content in minutes. And that's why a lot of people are using it for YouTube automation, TikTok content, educational videos, storytelling channels. Now let's get into the pros. First, it's very easy to use. Even if you've never edited a video before, the interface is simple and guided. Second, it's fast. You can go from idea to finished video in a short time. Third, it's scalable. You can create multiple videos quickly, which is perfect for content creators. And finally, the output quality is actually solid for basic content. Many users say the videos are ready to publish without heavy editing. But now let's be real, because this is where things matter. There are also some downsides. One of the biggest issues is reliability. Some users report slow rendering, features not working properly, limited customization. And this is important because while the tool works well for simple projects, it may struggle with more advanced or professional content. Another big concern is support and billing. There are reports from users complaining about subscription issues, difficulty canceling, poor customer support, and when it comes to paid tools, that's something you should definitely pay attention to. Also, reviews are mixed overall. Some users love how easy and fast it is, but others say it feels limited or unreliable depending on what you're trying to do. So it's not a perfect tool. Now let's answer the most important question. Is Animate AI worth it in 2026? The honest answer is, it depends on what you need. If you are a beginner, a content creator, someone who wants quick animated videos, then yes, it can be very useful. But if you are a professional editor looking for full control, creating high-end productions, then it might feel limited. Now here's the final takeaway. Animate AI is not a magic tool, but it is a powerful shortcut. It trades control for speed and simplicity, and for many people in 2026, that's exactly what they need. So if your goal is to create content faster and easier, this could be a tool worth trying. If this helped you, let me know. Would you use AI to create your videos, or do you prefer editing everything manually?